Hello, good morning. We're about to go on the Eurostar to Brussels. Here's some of what is going to happen. I think it's one of the most underrated cities in Europe, and I'm so excited to show you its quirky, fun and amazing side. My train's leaving soon. Come with me to Brussels. We're now under the English Channel. How exciting. We're under the sea, literally. Amazing. Oh, can't wait to get to Brussels.
Bonjour et bienvenue aux voyageurs qui viennent de nous rejoindre. Nous sommes Hervé et Christian, vos chefs de bord, et avec tout le personnel, nous restons à votre disposition pour vous aider et répondre à vos questions.
We've arrived in Belgium, in Brussels. We're at Gare de Midi station. Let's go find the metro. Oh, looks like it's this way. Oh, found it. Hello, metro. The metro map. Where am I going? Here goes. Ah, love these gates. Just gonna flash my ticket. Oh, love it. Love the orange squares and stripes. Amazing. Amazing. I love this station. Just look at it. You can see right across the platforms. And we're going down further. I'm off the metro. Now to find where I'm staying. It's great to be in Brussels. Oh, there it is. That looks amazing. Well, I have to say, what a lovely welcome. Can't believe the vibe of this place. It's amazing. It's so nice. What a place. I really can't believe I'm in Brussels. And I can't believe I'm staying here. Wow, look at that view outside. Seriously, I love travelling. And I'm so pleased to come here. Wow. Literally, wow. Tonight, I'm thinking let's head to the Grand Place and maybe eat something. Let's go out into Brussels. Just heading up to the Grand Place. How amazing at night time. Oh, I forgot how amazing it looks.
Like, for example, on the climate side at the moment.
Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. This to me is what travelling's about. I can't believe I'm here. Thank you so much for coming along with me. There's some places in the world I like to go back to in my mind, and this is one of them. It's just amazing to capture it. Just wow. It's amazing. The first time I ever came here, I was blown away by it, and it still blows me away. It's one of the grandest places ever. Brussels is so underrated. It's amazing. Wasn't Grand Plus incredible? So after that, I went to Quick, which is basically Belgium's answer to McDonald's. I love the fact it's nowhere else. Well, I don't think it's anywhere else. I've got myself a burger. Look at that. Ooh. And some fries. Oh, so good. And they do amazing sauces. Oh, let's try the samurai sauce. Wow, that's got some spice. Oh, Quick burgers are insane. It just works. There's something about Quick. Really good. So that can go in the fridge. Is it a bit weird? That's going to be part of my hot and spicy breakfast tomorrow. So yeah, next I'm going to show you what I've got for breakfast tomorrow. I'm very excited. I've got some of this cheese. Oh, that looks good. I'm not sure what cheese it is. That's the one thing I love about shopping abroad, is you can go for stuff that you haven't got a clue. Where's it from? Oh, oh, that's nice. I've got some Belgian cheese for my breakfast. Oh, I'm so pleased about that. And some chorizo. Oh, that'll go nice with it. And I got a baguette. Like in France, you can get really fresh baguettes. You can smell the warm. You can smell the warm? It was very warm, the baguette. So that's for breakfast tomorrow. I'm so excited. It's a drink on Numa. My first Belgian beer. Thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Amazing. I still can't believe I'm staying here. I'm gonna have a bath later, chill this evening, and yeah, catch up with you tomorrow. Good morning, Brussels. Wow, what a view. What a place to watch the world going on in Brussels. Loving this view. Breakfast time. Look at this baguette. Oh, I've forgotten how good a fresh baguette smells. So good. Right, let's go on to Brussels. Oh, amazing to see the Grand Place in the morning light. You can see the gold gilding all around. It's actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is the historic heart of Brussels, and it definitely has my heart. Oh, just look at the gold glimmering. Oh, what a place. I love how you're totally surrounded by the stunning buildings. It's a mix of Gothic Baroque and Louis XIV style of architecture, and I love it. Right, time for a coffee in what is the most amazing Starbucks. Isn't this just the grandest place to have a Starbucks? I've got a cafe latte here. Wow, how grand. I love it. So here it is, the Manneken Pis. It seriously is one of my favourite landmarks in the world. It makes me so happy. I love the fact that it stands for Brussels and for Belgium itself, and it just says everything about how wonderful Brussels is as a city. That this is a main landmark makes me so happy. The Manneken Pis is believed to have been created in the early 17th century. Despite its small size, just over 2 feet tall, it's very much a symbol of Brussels' cheeky sense of humour. Did you know the Manneken Pis has over 900 outfits in its wardrobe? From traditional costumes to modern designs, the Manneken Pis has an outfit for every occasion, and I found out there's a museum with all his outfits in I've never been to. Let's go there. What a mural! Here we are at the garderobe, the Manneken Pis Museum. So many outfits. It's a Manneken Pis catwalk show. I get it. Different organisations and countries become part of Brussels and Belgium with having an outfit on this statue. I've seen the Manneken Pis in a costume before, and I didn't realise there was a place with all the costumes, and it was so incredible to see. One costume I really loved is the Mickey Mouse one. It's sensational, it's incredible. The Manneken Pis is amazing, Mickey Mouse is amazing. Both of them together, wow, another amazing thing. And the guy in there, I met him, he dresses the Manneken Pis. What a job that is, to dress a statue. Oh, what a treat. I love the buildings in Brussels, and there's so much art everywhere. It's incredible. There's surprising art around every corner. Also, this waffle place, wow, it's so Brussels and so cheeky, but these waffles look amazing. Yum. Unfortunately, I'm about to go for some food, so I won't have waffles now, but I'll definitely be coming back here. This looks like my favourite waffle place, and I love the name. It's so Brussels, it's so cheeky. So I'm off to find Belgian Frits, which are incredible. Fries came from Belgium, you know it's good. I'm going to Fritland. Oh, look at that sign. Beautiful, isn't it? I know. It's closed. Oh, they're renovating. So this means, it's quite exciting really. Two places I love to have Frits. Here, Fritland, and Flagey, which is at place Flagey. So we're going to have to walk there. And these Frit, they're that amazing. My husband, I ended up proposing to him first, but he was going to propose to me with a ring in the Frits, in Frit Flagey. They're that amazing. We're going to go on another adventure. Let's go to place Flagey. So back through the Grand Place, and if I remember rightly, it's down there. Oh, there's a lot more people now. It's 11:30. It was great to get here first thing in the day. There are lots of groups, but you can see why, because it is so amazing. Amazing. Let's carry on over there. I'll show you some stuff on the way if there's anything exciting. By Grand Place. Oh, I forgot about this gallery. I have to check this out. Let's go in. Wow. This is the first covered ever shopping centre, I believe. Wow. Amazing. Look at it. Just look at it. Incredible. What a place. Seriously. Wow. Oh, I'm glad I ended up coming this way. Oh, it's actually Theatre de Vaudeville. Wow. How amazing is this place? It's incredible to be the first shopping centre, well, covered shopping centre in the world, and it's just so grand. Very Art Nouveau. Wow. Amazing. Anyway, let's carry on to Flagey to find the best Belgian Frits I've ever had. What a cinema! It feels very Wes Anderson. I love the art around the place here. It's amazing. Just this. It's like nowhere else. Wow, I love this park. And that there, whoa, that's the Magritte Museum. I love it. Beautiful. What a place to have April Spritz. What a view. Loving this neighbourhood, getting closer to Frit Flagey. Ah, we're here. I love the Frit Flagey booth. There's a real art to making the Frits at Frit Flagey. They take great care. Oh, here they are. Oh, I can't wait to eat these. I'm so excited. They're so crunchy, so tasty. Seriously, this is one of my favourite street foods in the world. I can't wait to eat them. Wow. I love how they're wrapped, how they're cut. I'm just gonna pick out my fingers. Oh. Seriously. I'm so pleased. I went for large. It was about €5. So worth it. Amazing Brussels. If they know your English, it's nice to speak in French. Seems to be no issue with speaking English. So if you're worried about coming to Belgium, Brussels, and thinking, I'm worried about speaking the language, because it has been the centre of the EU and there's been a lot of English expats here. I'm so pleased Fritland was closed because it's been amazing. So good. Back on the metro, I've got time to head and see the Atomium. Can't wait to show it to you. Oh wow, there it is. Those silver balls are iconic. Originally constructed to be the centrepiece of the 1958 Brussels World Fair, it still stands today and looks as new as ever. It's amazing to go inside, but I don't have time today. I came to get these €0 notes for my husband Ash to say thank you for letting me do my travel thing. What a night and day I've had in Brussels. I just want to say Brussels is insane. I absolutely love it. I'm now going to get back on the Eurostar to the UK. I've had an incredible time. It's been amazing sharing it with you. Thank you so much. Why not check out this video? And if you want to subscribe here. Let's do this again sometime.